I would like to present you for the first time in about 40 years, Aston Martin Bulldog. Thank you.
So this is the insane 7X design long-tail version of the Lamborghini Huracan. You can see there it's completely redesigned body. 30% better aero than the standard car. Coach built, really cool to see a coach built car. They also have done a 488 previously as well. Absolutely mad. It's also got a twin turbo conversion, so the car's pushing almost 2,000 horsepower. And this is definitely going to break records. Look at those little winglets there, are pretty cool as well. So I'll give you a little walk around the Aston Martin Bulldog.
Thanks for that.
No problem, thanks.
now fully restored. Lovely interior. Got this crazy door.
And designed obviously by William Towns, who designed the famous wedge-shaped Lagonda 3 years earlier.
And wedge shape is a good way of describing it. It's a twin-turbo V8 sounds insane. Well, that was a little sneak peek of one of the concepts.